Hello students, once again welcome to this video class. In this video class, we are going to discuss about a chapter from class 10 science, that is life process. In this video, we are highlighting on how kidneys filter the blood and what is the meaning of excretion, what are nephrons and which are the nitrons waste which produces in our body. Dear students, during metabolic activities like respiration and digestion, many waste products are produced in our body. The important waste products produced are carbon dioxide, salts, urea, uric acid, fecal matter, and excess water are some of the important metabolic wastes. So these wastes must be removed from our body because some of these waste products are toxic in nature. They may cause harmful to the body. So in our body, many organs take part in removal of these metabolic wastes. So the important excretory organs, that means which can remove the waste, they are lungs, skin, kidneys, large intestine are the important excretory organs. Especially kidneys excrete urea, uric acid, salts and excess water from our body. So totally the removal of metabolic waste and excess substances from the body is called excretion. Now let's discuss about position and shape of the kidneys. Where exactly kidneys are present in our body. Dear students, first you observe the image at your right side. See, this is our human body. So this is the abdomen region. So in the abdomen region, what happens? A pair of kidneys are present. So these two are the kidneys. They are present either side of the vertebral column. See, this is the vertebral column. To the left side of the vertebral column and right side of the vertebral column, we can find each kidneys. Dear students, the size of the kidneys from top to bottom, they are about 11 to 12 centimeter in length and 5 to 7 centimeter in width. The shape of the kidneys, they are in bean-shaped structure. So these kidneys are filter the blood and removes the nitrogen waste which is produced in our body. That's why the kidneys are called as the excretory organs, as they excrete the nitrogen waste from our body. Now let's discuss about human excretory system. That means which are the different organs associated in the process of excretion. Dear students, first you observe the image given at your right side. So this is the human excretory system. So this excretory system is made up of a pair of kidneys. So this is left kidney and the right kidney, and elongated tube-like structure from the kidneys. They are called as the ureters. So this is the left ureter and this is the right ureter. So this is a muscular bag-like structure which stores the urine for some time. This is called as the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder, the urine is excreted out through a structure called as the urethra. Dear students, these two kidneys are connected by the two important blood vessels, one from the aorta and another from the vena cava. So this aorta branches into the renal arteries and which brings the blood into the kidneys. In the same way, the renal veins bring back the blood from the kidneys to the vena cava. So this is our human excretory system which filters the blood and removes the nitrogen waste from the body. Now let's discuss about how exactly the kidneys filter the blood and removes the nitrogen waste from the body. First you observe the image at your right side. Dear students, so this is the aortic vessel and this is the vessel from the vena cava. So first what happens? The oxygenated blood containing the nitrogen waste. You observe the image at your right side. Now the blood is moving into the aorta. So this blood containing the oxygen with the nitrogen waste. Now this aorta branches to both the kidneys as the renal arteries. That means through the renal arteries, the blood enters into the kidneys. As the blood enters into the kidneys, each kidney contains a number of functional units called as the nephrons. So these nephrons are called as the functional and structural units of the kidneys. Dear students, so this is the longitudinal section of the human kidney. So inside the kidney, in the region of the medulla and pelvis, we can find the millions of nephrons, which are called as the functional units. So you observe here, this is the structure of one nephron. So this is exactly filters the blood and removes the waste from the body. The nephrons, structural and functional units of the kidneys. So these nephrons filters the blood and removes the nitrogenous waste like urea, uric acid, salts and excess water. So the mixture of urea with water is called urine. Now the nephrons produce the urine, it moves inner walls of the kidneys. Now exactly what happens, the urea from the kidneys moves away from the kidney and move along the ureters. So through the ureters what happens, the urine is moving down and it is stored in a bag-like structure called as the urinary bladder. From this kidney also the urea is moved out and moved along the ureters and collected at the urinary bladder. As the urinary bladder fills, the central nervous system finds the pressure in the urinary bladder and it gives a urge of urination. Now what happens, from the urinary bladder, the urine moves out through an opening called as the urethra. So from the urethra, the urine is excreted outside. Like that, the kidneys are the filtering structures which filters the blood and removes the nitrous waste from our body. So this is all about structure and functioning of the kidneys. In the next video, we are going to discuss more information about how exactly the nephrons produces the urine inside the kidneys. Thank you for watching this video.